Hi guys, this is Dario again with another video. So today I'm going to be discussing the reason why I quit YouTube for like 3 months now. So I've been very absent on YouTube for so many reasons, but the first reason was I was in school and I was quite busy with school, and so many things was going on, and with work, because I was doing so many things at the same time. So it was very difficult for me to actually cope with YouTube, creating content and client works and all those things. So I had to like step back and take some break. And again, the second reason was I had issues with my monetization. I got demonetized by YouTube and I got demotivated, and I took some break due to that demonetization. I got demonetized by YouTube because I wasn't able to verify my address. So I requested for AdSense pin for like 3 times to get it on time. So YouTube had to demonetize my channel. So that really made me lose motivation, and I wasn't able to continue with YouTube. Although I was posting content on TikTok and I was also posting content on YouTube Shorts, but I wasn't really motivated to like pursue long form content on YouTube. So that was the reason why I was inactive. And again basically it was all about school and work. I wasn't able to like balance my YouTube and the creating of content and commissions and all. So that was why I was absent. So I apologize for my inactiveness. So, and I assure you that I am back now, and I'll be coming in hot with so many contents. I'll be creating so many contents. Just stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. And again, I'm going to be introducing so many other niche on this channel. I'm not going to be only concentrating on arts content alone. I'm going to be doing graphic design content. I'm going to be doing video editing content, and also I'm going to be doing color grading content, video color grading content. I'm going to be doing video editing, basically video editing, graphic designing and art. So if this is the type of content you want, stay subscribed and click on the notification bell. Make sure you give this video a like. And yeah, for my new subscribers, my name is Dario and I'm a Nigerian. I'm a digital artist, content creator, digital creator, YouTuber, and also I'm a photographer, and I'm also a videographer. So if you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel, welcome to the big family. Feel free to comment your opinion below and introduce yourself so that I can know you more. If you have any question, drop it down below in the comment section. And if you want to connect with me personally, you can go to my Instagram page, you can go to my Facebook page, you can go to whatever platform you prefer. You can go to Twitter as well. I'm there. Just chat me up privately. I'll be glad to answer. So see you guys in my next video. Peace.